Alright guys, so I've got all 4 devices mounted on my bracket here. We are going to be doing a camera comparison test on the OnePlus 6, the Note 9, the iPhone XS Max, and the Huawei P20 Pro. So let me just spin around here so you guys can see what the setup is like. So the front facing camera, we're going to be shooting at 1080 30 frames per second. And on the back, we will be shooting at 4K 30 frames per second. So without further ado guys, let's go outside the field and check what these devices can do. So I am here at the parking lot. We're going to be checking out the low light capability on these devices and find out which one has the better camera when it comes to low light. So as you can see in the background, I do have one light back there. And just looking at the screen display here, I'm getting a lot of different color tones. So it's kind of weird which one is the natural lighting. Let me take a look. Okay. So it's somewhat look like the real light looks like from based on the screen display, it looks like the iPhone XS has that natural look to it. But again, we'll find out how it looks like once I post this up on YouTube. Alright, let's check out the zoom test, zooming on these devices. Why do you have a dress, Lily? Huh? Why do you have a dress? Oh my goodness, look at you! Look at you! What are you doing? Lily, what are you doing? Lily? Uh-oh. She's very, very happy. Look at her lip.
She once had like a lot of baby puppies.
Uh-oh, where are they?
Our dad sold them.
No! Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. That is my video comparison between all 4 devices. I hope this video will somewhat help you guys make the decision that you guys are looking for. And before I bounce out, I'm just gonna do a quick dash with the front facing camera. And once again guys, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace!